Stay safe while you train. Essential tips for using fire simulators. Fire simulators are powerful tools for training, but if not used carefully, they can also be dangerous. If you want to learn how to use a fire simulator safely and effectively, be sure to check out our blog post. In the Mastering Fire Simulator Safety, an 8-step guide. It outlines the essential steps you need to follow to ensure the safe use of fire simulator. The article covers topics such as operating temperature, usage scenarios, gas hose inspection, regulator adjustment, cleaning, storage, remote control, and fire extinguisher use. If you are interested, head over to our blog at flamegenerator.com to learn more.